G'day, Kurt here with Airsoft Taiwan. Today I'd like to introduce this cool little grenade called the 40 mic gas-powered Magnum shell. This is from Airsoft Innovations, a company out of Canada. Now, just to look at it, it seems very well built, very heavy, made out of metal. Reading up on the box, they claim that this holds 150 BBs and is able to shoot them at less than a third of a second at a speed of 240 feet per second. It fits in most 40mm grenade launchers. They claim this grenade has a 10-foot spread at 100 feet. Now in the box it also comes with some lube, grenade oil probably to mix if you're going to use propane. It comes with a safety plate which you put on the back for filling so you don't accidentally fire it. And it also comes with this cool patch, 40mm pain train, Airsoft Innovations. So once you have your safety on here, compared to other grenades, this one seems quite simple to load. You just use a BB loader, and it has one hole that you fill up, and you also can fill the gas through here, and I'll do that in a second. Okay, now I'm going to load the grenade. First step, it says always put the safety on so it doesn't accidentally go off, especially since you're loading from this end. You don't accidentally want it to go off in your face. So first of all, it tells you to hold it on a 45-degree angle. You can use green gas or propane and fill it up. That should be sufficient. Then we take our speed loader. It also says hold it on an angle. And continue to load it until you feel some resistance. It's starting to feel a little resistance now, so they say if you feel the resistance, plug the end and spiral it to settle the BBs into place. Move the BBs into place and continue loading. And there, I'm getting resistance, so I think it's just about full. Dump the excess ones out and just twist it around a bit, make sure they're back in place again, and I think it's ready to fire. Okay, now that we have our 40 mic loaded, we're ready to take it outside and test it. As you can see here, I have a 40mm grenade launcher, and I'm going to open it up here, and you'll see how easily the 40 mic fits in just about any grenade launcher for ready for use. As you can see from our videos, the 40 mic gas-powered Magnum shell is extremely fast and powerful and would be an excellent addition to anyone's airsoft arsenal. So if you like this product and you want to get one for yourself, it'll be available soon on our Airsoft Taiwan online shop.